My name's Alexander Hillary and I'm a Kiwi from Aotearoa, New Zealand. And I'm here aboard the National Geographic Orion. We're here in Glenfern Sanctuary on Aotea Great Barrier Island. And we're here in what was once a colossal ancient kauri forest with huge magnificent trees, but they were all cut down and logged. Today, it's recovering from the farmland that it was used for 100 years. We have these kānaka trees in the canopy. We're starting to have silver fern, locally called ponga. It's helping recover the soil around here. It's regenerating this landscape, and it's a nursery for these forest giants. Something really special for New Zealand is our incredible tree fern, ponga, silver ferning. They were used for all sorts of things by Maori for hundreds and hundreds of years. They would take the trunks of these trees and use them in the walls of their buildings, for fences, to store food. They were also very important in terms of cultural symbolism. So you'll often see that curling fern used in a lot of art. So this is a spectacular meadow tree, the slowest growing tree in New Zealand. It produces all these amazing red berries the kereru, the wood pigeon, absolutely love. The Maori would often set snares all through this tree for the kereru. But this particular one has a northern rata growing around it. So this is the root stem here. Plants itself in the top of the tree and sends a root all the way down to the forest floor, and then it will start to grow. And over a long time, this little northern rata tree will encase this ancient, probably 200-300-year-old meadow tree. We're here at a 600-year-old kauri tree, an amazing huge trunk. These trees would grow up to 2,000 years old or more. Some have been 40,000 years old. They've been up to 8.3 meters across. They can be quite beautiful.